Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's Kitchen. Today we're going to do a very cheaty
apple pie
and possibly a cherry pie. But first, let's have a cup of tea. Your cheaty apple pies, you will need some short crust pastry, and I've got 3 rolls. You can get these out 30 minutes before you need them out. Your filling, I'm going to cheat again and get apple for 1, black cherry for the other, a bit of sugar for the top, we need an egg for the top, and we need 2 pre-greased pie tins. Right, now we're going to need to roll out some pastry. Maybe not that bit. Thank you, Sandy Grace. Right, so we need a bit of pastry that doesn't have a bleeding hole in it. Put it over your pie tin. So let's just push these in here. Thank you, train. Take a knife. And we're going to take the excess off. Alright, so I have found some holes where I've stretched this out, so I've put some spare bits of pastry in there, and I'm going to squash that out. Right, so let's go with Prince's apple pie filling. Needs another tin. Right, second tin of apple. Yeah, so it seems for these you need 2 tins. Right, this one I'm going to have problems with, the simple reason I only have 1 tin. Right, so for my final piece of dough, I'm going to do the lids. This should be easy to do. So just lay this on top as before, cut off the excess. And we are now going to pinch the edge. So voila! Alright, so for the final lid, we are just going to roll out a bit of the dough that's left over. I actually had a lot more dough than what I was expecting. And I should probably use some flour on this board, but this isn't called lazy apple pie for nothing. Yes, I think I have got that where I can just dump that over like that. Right, so I'm just going to we're missing a bit there. Yeah, we're missing a bit there. Right, I'm happy with that. So now just going to put a little cross in there. Now it's time for the egg. Right, so I'm just going to mix this up and we are going to egg wash the top of the pie. Right, for the final bit, we are just going to put some sugar over the top, so we're just going to sprinkle. Right, so I've got that much pastry left over, which was more than what I expected. These are now going to go into a gas mark 5 oven for 45 minutes. So, are these going to fit? Just. Right, and we are done. They actually look like they've come out really well. So let's get them out. Right, so that's out. I'm quite happy with that. Right, now cherry or apple pie? Right then, to go with my cheat cherry pie, I have got some pre-made custard. Let's give it a taste. Right, let's go. Yeah, amazingly the pastry is much better. The topping, lovely and crunchy. Just how I like a dessert pie. Filling is nothing special, but it's from a tin, so what do you expect? But yeah, that's simple enough to do. And I'll probably do that one again. Okay, I'm going to enjoy this. Goodbye.
Apple pie!